because I am hungry. It's the first protest I've ever been to, and the reason I'm out here is because I'm hungry. I'm angry at this government for bullying the teachers into taking an unfavorable pay package for how they deal with the firefighters, how they deal with the police, and then turning around to award yourself a 200% increase, in addition to the fact that you have a pension where you literally get paid a full salary when you retire. No other country don't have that ridiculous. Your pension is what you throw. In this case, their pension is a full pay, and you want to increase it by 200%? That is madness, and that is why I'm here, to let my voice be heard, to let those people in power know, say, I am angry and the citizens of Jamaica are angry. You have to listen to us, because we are the ones who put you in power, and we are the ones who can take you out. And if you cannot hear the voices of peace protesting, then you will hear the thunder when the fire comes for you. That's what I have to say.
And this move by the government is anti-development. It actually is inflationary, because what they're doing is just adding costs to the country without any production. It is unfair when you put it in the context of what they've given to professionals like teachers, nurses, and so on, 20%, and then just because they have gone into our pockets and decide to take out over 200% increase. That can't be right. Plus, they are not competent. The country is not being run properly when you consider governance. When you think about crime, they have not come up with any kind of strategy that makes sense. The education is in shambles. You have kids who have been harmed as a result of the long period of COVID. There are no credible programs that are bringing those children up so that by the time they're ready for college and productive work, that they can catch up. So they're being harmed for their entire lives. That money should be spent on them. It should be spent in the hospitals where elderly people go and cannot get service. It should be paid to essential workers.